This Artisan Realtors property video is presented by b.harton. Modern total renovation in Fountain Square. 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, hardwood floors, quartz kitchen counters with subway tile backsplash. Custom-built staircase banister, stainless steel appliances, gas oven/range. Awesome master suite. One of the nicest yards in Fountain Square with front porch, back deck, fenced backyard and 2-car garage. This house was completely renovated in 2016 with all new mechanicals, roof, plumbing, wiring, etc. Lots of storage space and a nice cellar for additional storage. It really is a beautiful home. For more information, review the details below or contact b.harton at 317-602-3550.